I like this inequality. It looks quite easy, but it's actually a little bit tricky. So you should remember that if you see anything which is within a modulus, like this, so this minus this, it is the same as writing it like this. So let's take this inequality and represent it like this. In this instance, our b value is 2, so it's minus 2. We have x squared minus 2, and that's less than 2. We can now add 2 to every single part, so we can try and get rid of this 2 in minus 2 in the middle. So you're going to get 0 is less than x squared is less than 4. 0 is less than x squared, which is less than 4. So this could be written as x squared is greater than 0, or x squared is less than 4. However, it hasn't got a greater than or equal to sign, a line underneath here. So therefore, x cannot equal 0. We can break this down into minus 2 less than x less than 2, because obviously if we square root this, you're going to get plus or minus 2. So we need both conditions to be true. The condition of 1 is x cannot equal 0, and the second condition is minus 2 is less than x, which is less than 2. So we will have 2. Minus 2 is less than x, which is less than 0, and you will have 0 less than x less than 2. It can't go the whole way because it does not include 0. So it's up to this interval, and then from this interval to this interval. So your final answer would be minus 2, 0. I don't know if you do this at A-level maths, but I'm going to put a union sign, but whatever, we can do that there. And so that would be your answer to this.